Hi, I am from Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll learn exactly how to draw lines on Google Maps so you can easily mark routes, highlight areas, or plan your next trip with precision. It's quick, simple, and super useful. Now, let's get started. Step 1, open your browser and go to Google My Maps. You can either open the Google My Maps app on your phone or visit the Google My Maps website in your browser. This is where you'll create and customize your own map. Step 2, create a new map. Just tap on Create or Create a New Map to begin. This gives you a blank map where you can start adding your own lines and shapes. Step 3, select the drawing tool. Look for the icon that shows a line with a plus sign. That's the Draw a Line tool. It's usually found right under the search bar or toolbar. Step 4, choose Add Line or Shape. This option lets you start drawing freely on your map, perfect for marking routes, borders, or specific regions. Step 5, draw your line. Click anywhere on the map to set your starting point, then click again for each new segment. When you're done, simply double-click to finish the line. You'll instantly see your custom path appear on the map. Step 6, customize your line. You can adjust the color, width, and even organize different lines into layers. This helps keep your map clean and visually clear, especially if you're adding multiple routes. Step 7, save your map. Once you're satisfied, give your map a name and hit save. This ensures your work is stored safely in your Google account. Step 8, view it on mobile. Just open the Google Maps app, go to the Saved tab, and tap on Maps. You'll find your custom map ready to view or share anytime you need it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more quick and useful tech guides.